isang flat screen TV, printers, mga office, mga office supplies.
Ito-identify ko sa inyo.
Ang suspects, the Pasay City Police is looking, meron sila mga persons of interest already. So I'd rather, hayaan lang na muna natin yung Pasay Police to investigate and determine kung sino yung mga suspects.
Implication nito sa security.
Well, it looks like that we need to double check yung ating security, no? See if we can add more CCTVs sa the compound para talagang like that one that seems to be a blind spot, makita lahat ng dapat makita.